Hey guys, finally getting up the promised unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Sorry it took so long. So from some of the videos I've seen, this is kind of the stripped down, cheaper version of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which you all know that I have and I love, and I think it's the best phone I've ever had. So we're going to go through this and see how it fares. The S23 Ultra is not going to be the first one we compare it against, though. You'll see that at the end of the video.
Let's do this!
So here's the Galaxy A54 5G. Picked it up from Samsung US during the Discover Samsung event. They're telling me I saved $203. Traded in my Pixel 6 Pro, so let's get it opened up. So you can see a very thin box, no charging brick of course, and that's why it's so thin. So I'll put it aside for a moment and see what else comes in the box. You can see our SIM tool, which of course I don't need, I have so many, and there's our connection cable, which I also have plenty of those. But I'll use the cable to copy everything from the S23 Ultra. So here's the phone, so not much to see except on the back you've got the camera array of 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel macro. So taking a quick look around the phone, on the left side we have our power button, and of course our volume up and down. Up top we have our SIM tray and our microphone. On the bottom we have our microphone, our USB Type-C port, and our bottom speaker. So let's power this thing up for the first time. And I'll get back to you once we're all booted up. And now our phone is on after its first boot. I think it's still copying, as you can tell from some of the icons that don't have any focus yet. But it got booted up, it seems nice and quick. And I'll throw up the specs here so you guys can take a quick look at that. And the only drawback I see is the Exynos chip, but we'll see how that goes. Alright, I'll take one quick photo, get an idea of shutter speed, and see what we can see from one photo. And that looks pretty good to me for a budget phone, but of course we'll be doing our testing. Let's test our speakers. So that's our quick unboxing and first boot of the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. When I take it out for its first comparison, it'll be against the Moto G Power 5G, as these are my two current budget phones, and then of course it'll be against many others. So there's my little unboxing, folks. Of course, plenty more testing to come. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And by the way, we all do better when we love each other.